Wednesday, the 1st of October 2025. Episode 44. As Rani reveals her pregnancy to Devyani, Pinky secretly records it. Later, Digvijay confronts her for hiding it, and she gets emotional as no one tries to understand her. Thursday, the 2nd of October 2025. Episode 45. Digvijay urges Rani to consider abortion for their future. Later, Rani feels happy when Priya tells her that Niranjan is missing her presence. Friday, the 3rd of October 2025. Episode 46. Narayani disagrees with Rani and Digvijay's decision about the abortion. Anisha grows jealous of Rani and decides to win Digvijay back at any cost. Saturday, the 4th of October 2025. Episode 47. Narayani overhears Ishan telling Devyani that Digvijay took Rani to the hospital for an abortion. Rani feels anxious about her abortion as Digvijay leaves. Sunday, the 5th of October 2025. Episode 48. Narayani slaps Digvijay for misleading her about his decision regarding Rani's abortion. Later, Rani apologizes to Digvijay for refusing to go through with the abortion. Monday, the 6th of October 2025. Episode 49. Rani pleads with Narayani to let her continue her studies, but she asks her to prioritize the child. Rani is thrilled to see her medical entrance test results. Tuesday, the 7th of October 2025. Episode 50. Rani informs Vijendra and Gajendra that she has cleared her medical entrance exam. Meanwhile, Niranjan gets emotional upon learning about Rani's pregnancy. Wednesday, the 8th of October 2025. Episode 51. Gayatri urges Rani to steal her study documents from Narayani's room. Rani becomes emotional as she pleads with Digvijay to let her pursue her dream. Thursday, the 9th of October 2025. Episode 52. Rani is shocked as her admission is cancelled due to her pregnancy. She confronts Digvijay but learns Narayani is behind it. Friday, the 10th of October 2025. Episode 53. Rani faces bullying at college but boldly stands her ground. Narayani locks herself in a room as she is upset that Rani prioritizes studying over her pregnancy. Saturday, the 11th of October 2025. Episode 54. Rani bakes a cake for Digvijay, hoping to ease the tension and apologize. Narayani's family accuses Rani of eating eggs, unaware that Pinky set her up. Monday, the 13th of October 2025. Episode 55. Rani panics upon hearing about Niranjan's heart attack. Digvijay examines Niranjan, while Rani's brother holds her responsible for his condition. Tuesday, the 14th of October 2025. Episode 56. Rani confronts Sagar as he tries to harm Digvijay, blaming him for Niranjan's condition. Anisha calls the police to arrest Sagar for attempting to harm Digvijay. Wednesday, the 15th of October 2025. Episode 57. Rani and Niranjan get emotional and apologize to each other for their past actions. Digvijay reprimands Rani for planning to tutor kids for pocket money and college fees. Thursday, the 16th of October 2025. Episode 58. Narayani grows suspicious of Roop and Rajsekhar's behavior. Rani decides to teach a lesson to the strangers who misbehaved with Chitra on the streets. Friday, the 17th of October 2025. Episode 59. Digvijay grows furious with Rani for putting herself at risk by confronting the goons who were harassing the girls. Rani and Digvijay get into an argument about their child. Saturday, the 18th of October 2025. Episode 60. Rani's seniors lock her in a morgue as revenge, while Digvijay rushes to her college, worried. Meanwhile, Anisha tries to rekindle her past with Digvijay, but he dismisses her. Sunday, the 19th of October 2025. Episode 61. Digvijay confronts Rani for lying about being ragged, while Narayani insists she must balance college and household chores. Anisha's actions upset Rani. Monday, the 20th of October 2025. Episode 62. Anisha confesses her love to Digvijay. Rani rushes a pregnant woman to the hospital, but the doctors are unavailable due to heavy rain. How will Rani help the patient? Tuesday, the 21st of October 2025. Episode 63. With the doctor's guidance, Rani delivers a patient's baby. Digvijay confronts her for violating college rules by performing the delivery as a student. Wednesday, the 22nd of October 2025. Episode 64. Rani asks Digvijay about his feelings for her. She faces the press questioning her about delivering a baby despite being a student. Thursday, the 23rd of October 2025. Episode 65. The college committee decides to rusticate Rani for breaking the rules by performing a patient's delivery. Soham, a committee member, defends her actions. Friday, the 24th of October 2025. Episode 66. Digvijay warns Soham to keep his distance from him and Rani. Rani decides to confront Anisha and tell her to stay away from Digvijay. Saturday, the 25th of October 2025. Episode 67. Digvijay fumes at Rani, saying that his job is at risk because of her. He leads the students to the medical camp at the college, while Rani collapses during class. Sunday, the 26th of October 2025. Episode 68. Digvijay rushes Rani to the hospital, fearing for her and the baby. Amidst rising tension, he offers a heartfelt prayer and is relieved as both are declared safe. Monday, the 27th of October 2025. Episode 69. Rani confronts Digvijay, blaming him for her condition, while Narayani instructs the family to care for her. Rani gets emotional after receiving mangoes from Niranjan. Tuesday, the 28th of October 2025. Episode 70. Rani breaks down over Digvijay's actions, but Narayani urges her to hold the family together. As Rani wrestles with her dreams and motherhood, Digvijay quietly supports her. Wednesday, the 29th of October 2025. Episode 71. Rani thanks Digvijay for getting her study from home approval, sharing a tender moment. Meanwhile, Anisha schemes against Rani, using the past tensions between Digvijay and Soham. Thursday, the 30th of October 2025. Episode 72. Digvijay plans a surprise birthday party for Rani with Devyani and Ishan while pretending to travel. Rani wakes up to the sweet gesture and shares an emotional moment with him. Friday, the 31st of October 2025. Episode 73. Digvijay and Rani apologize and vow to strengthen their bond with love and understanding. Rani and her family celebrate her birthday while Niranjan surprises her. Premiere episodes of Idamba Alabulali air on Star Khanya from Mondays to Sundays at 20h30, with a repeat on E.TV from Mondays to Fridays at 16h00.